Okay, as you can see, we are here in this place. We want to install those buttons, the help button, and those buttons, they work very well. They are wireless, and I'm going to show you step by step how to install them. So if you have a new place, it doesn't matter. It could be this place, it can be any other place. They work very well. I feel much better when I don't have to start walking all over the place to find an agent or someone to help you. So I'm going to show you how to install them if you have to do that. Okay, here we have this the help button system. So this we have to install it over there, as you can see, on top of the amplifier, and we are going to put it on the wall. So that way I'll show you how to connect it. It's very easy. So that way when you have the customers over there in the hallway and they need support, this is how this works. That is how they are going to get the notification on their walkie-talkies. Also here on the ceiling, as you can see, there is a speaker, and everyone is going to be able to hear that someone is needing some help. So I'm going to show you. Okay, here we have the device. As you can see, we are going to connect. This is going here where it says A1. That is the audio input, and here we have the LTE modem, and here we have the router, and here we have the transmitter to connect with the help buttons. So we turn this on and off. We have to connect this to the wall, and I'll show you how to connect this. This is the RJ31X. This is going to be connected with this, and the other end in the back of the amplifier, so that way they can transmit the signal over here. So we're going to use this. We're going to remove this and put it here, and I'll show you how to connect it, and everything should work just fine. Alright, so now once I have this here, I'm going to install it here. So what I do is, this has to be like the closest to the ceiling, so I make one hole. It can be the hole anywhere, but just one hole, because I'm going to use this hole first, and then once this is attached to the wall, I'm going to use my level to put it here, and then I'm going to make the mark here where you see. You can make a hole almost anywhere, just the idea is to keep it straight. And then because I made one hole here, I have the other hole here already. So once this is on the wall, I'm going to put this with the level, make the mark, and then I put the screw, and everything should look nice. I'm going to show you in a little bit. So as you can see, not very deep. I mean, just as flat as the surface, as you can see, and we can put the first hole here, and then we leave it hanging over there. Okay, as you can see, it's all crooked. So once we have this here, and we have the hole here on this side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it straight like that. I'm going to put the level. As you can see, the level says that it's still crooked. I'm going to put it like that. Great. Once it's there, I'm going to make a mark and put the screw, and we should be set. Okay, now I have made the mark with this pen. As you can see, it came from this cyber tool. That way, I'm going to install the anchor, and everything will be okay. I'm going to make it like a small hole with the drill bit, and that should be it. Okay, as you can see, I put the other anchor. I'm going to put the screw, and everything should be okay. Well, okay, as you can see, everything has been hung. Now we have to connect the cables in the back, and everything should be okay. Okay, now we have everything up and running. We have to connect the Ethernet cord that you see here, that's hanging. That I plug it over there. You have only one place to connect it, and we have to connect it here. So when you connect this, you're going to see it like that. You see, it goes like this. But if you want to try to put the screw, at least to me, it's easier, because with the my Swift knife, it comes with this type of little screwdriver and doesn't fit here properly. So anyway, if you see this, if you leave it like that, you're not going to see the ground, the positive, negative, and other things. So when you remove it, you will see that. So as you can see here, instead of using the negative and the positive, they're using the positive and the ground. So that is the way it works. That is what I have done it before, and it works just fine. So I'm going to do the same thing here. It's very easy. You just unscrew this type of screw, put it here, and everything should be okay. So because I'm recording, I'm going to try to put my phone here, just in case. This is the box that I was talking about. We have to plug this in here like that, and we are going to connect the cables. So basically it goes, because it goes like that, we're going to put one cable here, the other cable over there, and we're going to grab my screwdriver, there we go. We did the first one. Hopefully you can see it. Alright, now that is tight, you should be able to pull and nothing should come loose. You should put it just here and everything should start working just fine. So now I'm going to move this back the way it was. I have to move the whole thing. There we go. Now I have to go to the hallway, start pushing the buttons and see if everything works. If it doesn't work, remember this is on almost maximum, so I'm going to do kind of the same here, otherwise it will not work. Everything should be fine, so I have to put my screw back here, take my things. Remember, don't forget your tools. This is kind of expensive, $100 for this, so if you forget this, you're toast. Okay, let's go to the hallway and see if everything works. So as you can see, we connected the power here. We have this working, like I said before. Here we have the A1 and everything. Here you can control the volume as well. I'm going to leave it the way it is because everything should be set already. Alright, if there is a problem that you're not hearing any music, you have to push that button and everything should be okay. Okay, when you install the buttons, it have to be on the edge, as you can see, and that one that you see over there, it has to be 48 inches from the floor over there. And don't install anything on the moving part, always on the fixed part, and that should be it. You push the button and it should work. Okay, as you can see, the antennas are standing. It looks decent, and I did my best with the things that I have. Otherwise, I had to buy more things to put all the cables together, but that is what the customer is willing to pay. Okay, as you can see over here, we have the buttons that we just installed, 48 inches from the floor to the button over there, and that should have to be next to the edge. Once everything is there, everything should work just fine. I just tested and everything is good. So that's it for today, and see you next class.